The Best Drawing tablet offers exceptional precision and versatility, making it ideal for both beginners and professional artists. With high-resolution displays and responsive styluses, these tablets provide an immersive drawing experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best drawing tablets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The HUION KAMVAS 16 Gen 3 delivers an exceptional digital art experience, combining advanced features and a sleek design tailored for professional creators. Its 15.8-inch screen with 2.5K QHD resolution achieves a crisp 186 ppi, ensuring stunning visual clarity. Artists benefit from a vibrant and accurate color display covering 99% of sRGB, Rec.709, and 90% of Adobe RGB, offering lifelike hues for detailed artwork. Equipped with the innovative PenTech 4.0, the pen boasts a minimal 2-gram activation force, 16,384 pressure levels, and 60-degree tilt support. The smaller nib and tilt auto alignment reduce parallax, enhancing precision. Nano-etched glass adds durability, anti-glare properties, and a natural paper-like texture, complementing the fully laminated display for immersive drawing. Connectivity is seamless with its dual-interface design and included USB-C cable, offering stability and compatibility with Android devices supporting USB 3.1 Gen 1 and DP 1.2. Customization reaches new heights with dual dials and 6 silent press keys, providing precise control and easy access to frequently used functions. The KAMVAS 16 Gen 3 redefines creative possibilities with its exceptional performance, natural drawing experience, and ergonomic design. The Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium is a robust and versatile graphics tablet, boasting an active drawing area of 10.3 by 5.8 inches. Designed for use with an external monitor, it avoids the fragility of built-in displays, making it a great choice for artists seeking durability and affordability. Its sleek, ergonomic design includes a comfortably curved front edge and a surface texture that mimics traditional drawing for an authentic, smooth experience. Equipped with 2 battery-free styluses, each offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, this tablet ensures precision and responsiveness in every stroke. The styluses are customizable, catering to individual preferences. A handy pen case is also included, keeping tools organized and protected. What sets the Xencelabs tablet apart is the configurable Quick Key remote, a standout feature allowing shortcuts and workflow customization. This addition enhances efficiency, giving users faster access to essential tools. While the setup includes multiple components, the tablet, styluses, and remote, it remains lightweight and portable, ensuring convenience without compromising on quality. Connecting via USB-C to USB-A, the Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium delivers professional-grade performance at a reasonable price. The HUION Inspiroy Frego Medium is a high-performance drawing tablet designed to offer an exceptional experience for digital artists. With a minimalist design, it lacks physical shortcut keys, providing a smooth, uncluttered 10 by 6.25-inch working area. Perfect for focused artwork. Connectivity is versatile, with options for Bluetooth or a direct USB-C connection, while the long-lasting battery ensures up to 24 hours of continuous use with just a 2.5-hour charge. Equipped with the advanced PenTech 3.0 Plus, the tablet features the slim PW550S pen, offering precision with a 9.5mm diameter and a 0.4mm retraction distance. The pen includes 2 customizable side keys for quick access to essential functions like brush, eraser, zoom, and undo. The device supports mobile devices too, including Android, iPhone, and iPad, using apps like HiPaint or IBIS S Paint. HiPaint even auto-adjusts the aspect ratio for a seamless drawing experience. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions. Curved edges reduce hand strain, and a wrist rest alleviates fatigue. Lightweight and portable, the Inspiroy Frego is easy to carry, featuring a built-in nylon pen holder for added convenience. Its symmetrical design caters to both left and right-handed users, offering flexibility and ease of use for all artists. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 Generation 2 stands as a powerful competitor to Wacom, offering high-quality performance at a more affordable price. With a large active drawing area of 344.68 by 215.42 mm and a 2560 by 1600 resolution, the display delivers superior detail, surpassing full HD, providing artists with vibrant visuals for their work. The precise brightness controls allow users to tailor the display to various lighting conditions, enhancing accuracy. One of the standout features of this tablet is the 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, a remarkable step up from the typical 8,092 levels in many professional tablets. The next-gen stylus included with the tablet offers precision and comfort, further improving overall performance. While the fixed 19-degree stand angle may seem limiting compared to the adjustable stand in the first generation, this is a minor flaw in an otherwise exceptional tablet. The Artist Pro 16 remains a top choice for digital artists, boasting impressive connectivity options with USB-C and HDMI ports, ensuring seamless integration with various devices. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 is a remarkable drawing tablet designed for artists seeking top-tier performance. Featuring a massive 24-inch 4K display, this device offers an expansive active drawing area of 20.75 by 11.7 inches, delivering exceptional clarity and precision. The 3840 by 2160 resolution ensures every detail is captured, while the vibrant IPS panel boasts a 330 nit brightness and impressive color reproduction, covering 99% of Adobe RGB and 93% of DCI-P3. The tablet stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it a responsive tool for fine control during artistic expression. Although large and not ideal for portability, the Pen Display 24 excels in a stationary setup. Its excellent build quality includes integrated touch keys and a built-in stand for customizable angles. The included Quick Key remote adds to the ease of use with its OLED display and functionality that attaches seamlessly to the tablet's edge. For those seeking a comprehensive drawing tablet with professional-grade features, the Xencelabs Pen Display 24 stands out as one of the best options available, combining an impressive display with thoughtful ergonomics and precision. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.